Hai Sobat Gamers, kali ini gua akan unboxing Fifa 2023 Fifa 2023 yang rilis di bulan September tanggal 30 kemarin ya. Ini dari Tokopedia. Gua order dari Tokopedia dengan pre-order yang 90 hari ya. Belinya di PS Enterprise yang di Jakarta Utara itu. Yap, seperti biasa bubble wrap yang gue suka karena gue beli di PS Enterprise ini memang tergolong aman pengirimannya dan juga terbukti originalitasnya. Ini dia yang covernya Kylian Mbappe. Ada yang covernya Samantha Care, yaitu pemain terbaik wanita ya, woman best player. Nih, ini the world's game, salah satu the best game in the world yang pernah dibuat oleh EA Sport. Oke, di sini ada Champions League, ada Premier League, ada La Liga Santander itu Liga Spanyol, ada Ligue 1 itu Liga Prancis, dan Bundesliga Liga Jerman. Dalamnya ada Build Your Dream Squad. Di sini ada Jack Grealish, ada Wesley Fofana sama Virgil van Dijk. Nah ini di sini FIFA 23 ini udah include FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 ya, jadi udah update. Play the pinnacle of the international football as the FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022. Jadi udah bener-bener update. Berikut dengan FIFA Women World Cup-nya yang di Australia itu. Ini garansinya, limited warranty. Dan ini pre-order konten. Kalau kita beli FIFA, biasanya ada pre-order kontennya. Yang di bawahnya ini ada redeem codes. Langsung aja kita masukin. Nah, biasanya minta install beberapa menit. Gue sebelumnya memang punya 2022 ya. Kita lihat perbedaan update-nya dari 2022 sampai 2023 ini. Dari segi gameplay mungkin. Ini kurang lebih waktunya 12 menit.
EA Sports, it's in the game.
Excitement in the Parisian air. We're at the Parc des Princes here in the French capital. Stamford Bridge in West London. The stage is set. One of the best in the world, Sam Kerr. The uniquely talented Kylian Mbappe. And here's Kerr. Oh, Mbappe taking on the shot. Oh, fine play by Kerr. Sam Kerr. And it's Mbappe! You get the feeling she knew that was going in. Well, a flair for the dramatic, to say the least. Sensational.
Welcome to FIFA 23. To continue, please select the trainer. Your trainer...
Sitting next to me, ready to give you all the analysis, is Stuart Robson. And we've got Premier League action coming right up. It's Chelsea facing Manchester City.
Yes, thanks as always, Derek. We've got two good teams here, so I'm anticipating a really good game. The atmosphere is electric inside the stadium before kick-off, and hopefully we're not disappointed.
Well, it's a team full of stars, and you never quite know who's going to pop up and shine. Perhaps, Stuart, it'll be Raheem Sterling today.
Well, Derek, he's the perfect finisher. He's got a great shot on him, his movement is excellent, and in 1v1 situations, you always expect him to score.
Number 24, Reece James. Number 28, Aston
lineup for Chelsea. Edouard Mendy starts in goal. Kalidou Koulibaly plays alongside Thiago Silva in central defence. Mason Mount starts with Raheem Sterling out wide. And in this tactical setup, they have just the one player in attack. Introducing the starting players for Manchester City. Ederson is the goalkeeper. Joao Cancelo starts with Kyle Walker as fullbacks. Kevin De Bruyne plays with Rodri in central midfield. And handed the task of playing up front is Erling Haaland. Hello everyone, great to be with you from Stamford Bridge. My name is Derek Ray, and ready with his tactics board to provide all the analysis is Stuart Robson. And this is where it all starts in the UEFA Champions League, the group stage and match day one. My goodness, so much to look forward to. It is Chelsea, and they take on Milan.
Well, I'm looking forward to this one, Derek. It's so important that you get off to a good start. So let's hope both sides go for the win here and we get an exciting match.
The lineup for Chelsea. Kepa is the goalkeeper. Kalidou Koulibaly plays alongside Thiago Silva in central defence. Mateo Kovacic plays with N'Golo Kanté in the centre of the park. And the idea is to have just the one striker up there trying to pose problems for the opposition. Here's the Milan team. Mike Maignan begins in goal. Davide Calabria plays with Theo Hernandez in the wide defensive areas. Sandro Tonali plays alongside Ismael Benacer in central midfield. And the starting role in attack is handed to Olivier Giroud.